4 months after 3 women's bodies were found at a home on Page Boulevard in Springfield, Stuart Weldon has officially been charged with their murder. Good afternoon, I'm Jeff Kramer. Earlier this month, a grand jury indicted Weldon on 52 charges, and today he appeared in court. Western Mass News reporter Caroline Powers inside the courtroom this morning for Weldon's arraignment. She joins us live now with the very latest. Caroline?
Jeff, Stuart Weldon walked into the courtroom today with both his hands and feet in shackles. He stood in front of the judge emotionless and pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of murder. Hampton County District Attorney Anthony Gallooni says this is just the beginning of a long road ahead. Hampton County DA Anthony Gallooni tells Western Mass News their case against Stuart Weldon is very complex.
Back in May, the discovery of the crime scene and going forward was an immense task, really. It was very complicated. Lots of evidence found on scene and beyond.
Since then, the DA says his office has been working with Springfield police to put together a thorough case.
Now, over the last 4 months, as Mr. Weldon was held, we were able to really piece together a lengthy and complicated investigation to 52 counts for this indictment for which he was arraigned today. And his conduct spans back a year, 11 different victims. There's kidnapping and rape charges, including the 3 murder charges. So it's sprawling in a way, and we're very pleased with this first step being over.
After pleading not guilty to 3 counts of murder, Weldon waived his right to hear the other 49 charges against him. He's being held without the right to bail.
There's a lot of information to share, I think, from defense counsel to prosecution and vice versa. But, we're going to work with the family and the living victims, make sure they understand the process and they're informed throughout. But we'll begin the prosecution. And I'm very confident with the information that we have. I'm pleased that the grand jury agreed with us, essentially, and produced those 52 indictments. And we'll go from there. We're here to enforce the laws. We will pursue life sentences without the possibility of parole, and we're hopeful that's what will happen at the end of this road.
Weldon's next court date is scheduled for September 27th. We did reach out to his defense attorney, Brian Murphy, but he declined to comment on today's arraignment. Live in Springfield, I'm Caroline Powers for Western Mass News.